welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert text into realistic human voice. And if this is what you want to hear, if this is what you want to know, please stay tuned to the end of the video. And if you are a newcomer that just come across my video, I welcome you and do well to subscribe to my channel and tap the notification button so that when I post the next video, you'll be able to see it. Because after this, my next video, I'm going to drop how to apply animation into that voice. Let's dive into that. I'm going to open my browser and then type chats.openai.com because we need this ChatGPT to generate our text. I'm going to type my message here on what I want ChatGPT to generate for me. Generate a note on YouTube promotion in 70 words. So I will tell it to generate. It's coming. Let's wait for it. So it have generated a note for me. Say, boost your YouTube channel by creating high quality engaging content regularly. Optimize your video title, description, and tags with relevant keywords. Promote your videos on social media platforms and collaborate with other creators to reach wider audience. Engage with viewers through comments and encourage subscription. Use eye-catching thumbnail and leverage YouTube analytics to refine your strategy for better visibility and growth. So I'm going to copy it, and this brings us, I'm going to copy it, then this brings us to the next page. I open a new tab and type app.resemble.ai. I'll tell it to enter. Let's wait for it to open. It's coming. Don't forget, if you are joining us right now, please don't forget to tap the notification button. Also subscribe to my channel and share my video for others to see. Please help me and do that. And it has opened. I need to sign in, and I'm using my Google account to sign in. So it has finally opened, and this is the user interface of Resemble AI. When you come here, you see where they write crates. So make sure to use the full editor experience once you have tried a few clips. So I'm going to say go to full editor. Here, go to full editor. It's coming. So it has opened, and we're going to leave the English. We're going to leave the English in United Kingdom, and I'm going to paste the text here. Here, you will duplicate the text. Here, you're going to generate multiple tests, and here you view the code of this place, of this profile, of this interface, and here you're going to add speaker, and here you will delete the message. But we are not deleting anything. It's just that we are going to paste our text because we want to generate a realistic voice on this text that we generated from ChatGPT. So I'm going to say paste. So it has pasted. I'm going to tell it to generate. You tell it to generate here. So let's wait for it to generate.
Boost your YouTube channel by creating high-quality, engaging content regularly. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. Promote your videos on social media platforms and collaborate with other creators to reach wider audiences. Engage with viewers through comments and encourage subscription. Use eye-catching thumbnails and leverage YouTube analytics to refine your strategy for better visibility and growth.
It has finished generating. So let me try Olivia English in United States, because that is where you can change the voice through a male or a female voice.
Use eye-catching thumbnails and leverage YouTube analytics to refine your strategy for better visibility and growth.
I like this one. So I've already generated the audio, and I'm going to tell it to download, and so it has downloaded. So let's play it.
Boost your YouTube channel by creating high-quality, engaging content regularly. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. Promote your videos on social media platforms and collaborate with other creators to reach wider audiences. Engage with viewers through comments and encourage subscriptions. Use eye-catching thumbnails and leverage YouTube analytics to refine your strategy for better visibility and growth.
This is how to convert your text into realistic human voice. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and tap the notification button so that when I post the next video, you will be able to see it. See you in my next video. Bye!